In this video, I'm about to show you Kling AI 2.0 image to video and how do you actually use it. So it is pretty easy. Now what you need to do is simply head over to this section video on the left side. You can see this is basically 2.0 version. Then you can upload any video in here. You can see I have already done uploaded image of this astronaut and it turned it into this video. So let me show you how it looks. You can also incorporate your prompt, like for example an astronaut floats in the space. He holds the moon with the earth in the back, slowly rotating. Light beams and floating light points around him. Neon light. That's how it is. You can see the video. Pretty good, right? We also got the reflection and everything. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.